एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं कुछ प्लांट्स से आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाऊंगी जिन्हें मैंने अभी रिसेंटली ख़रीदा है और उसके साथ मैं उनके प्राइसेस भी आपको बताऊंगी। I know this is not the correct time to buy these house plants as most of them are having their dormancy period since it's winter. But seeing these beauties in a nursery when I recently visited to Pune, I couldn't resist myself from buying them. And since I live in Mumbai and the weather over here is quite pleasant and it's never too cold, so I thought of giving it a try and I bought these. After giving some resting time and adjusting time to these plants for about 4 to 5 days, I repotted them. Welcome back to Green Thumb. Now starting with the first one, this is the painted leaf begonia with beautiful small leaves in purple and silver shade. I got this for about 150 rupees. It looked very pretty. और ये सेकेंड जो है वो फेरी कैसल कैक्टस जिसे बोलते हैं, इनके पैरेलली ग्रोइंग स्टेम्स के कारण इनका ऐसा नाम है, विच रिजेंबल द टॉरेट्स और टावर ऑफ अ कैसल. दिस वन कॉस्टेड अराउंड 250 and it looked so beautiful and these fill the pot very quickly with the parallel stems, so I hope to get this very soon. Now this small beauty is called Jenny Stone Cord or lemon ball, that it also fills the pot very quickly. It is a succulent and it was for I think 150 rupees. Now all these are succulents. This one is Pachyphytum hookeri. These are two varieties of this. It is loved for its beautiful grey-green leaves. As you can see, it fills the pot very fast. This is now beautiful Echeveria और इसे Mexican hens and chicks के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Hope to see the hens and chicks of this mother very soon. And the next one is this Cryptanthus or Earth Star, commonly called. It is a flowering bromeliad. I got this for 100 rupees. इसके बाद ये this ivory beauty is called Silver Lace Dusty Miller. I bought this because of its beautiful colored foliage और इसकी look एक velvety touch देती है. This is yet to be repotted in this pot. Some beautiful coleus for rupees 20 each. I've potted them in new pots which I also got for about 20 rupees each with their plates. The plates were for 15 rupees each. Look at the beautiful velvety color and texture of the coleus. It's always lovable. And this I was looking for since a long time is English ivy. छोटी सी है अभी, but I hope to see them trailing down the hanging basket in a few months. This was for 150 rupees. A basket full of philodendron, lemon lime, with beautiful neon color, isn't it? This was for 150 rupees and the basket was for 100 rupees. I got this repotted in coco peat since it's a hanging basket. A mini syngonium for 80 rupees शायद इसका प्राइस था. Now this one is beautiful peperomia ginny और tricolor peperomia भी बोलते हैं इसे. ये शायद 150 रुपीज़ की थी और इसका tricolor नाम, as you can see the three beautiful colors with the edges in pink. It looks so beautiful. इसे भी मैंने repot कर दिया है अभी. These are some seasonal ones. The beautiful chrysanthemum and marigold. I think 20 or 25 rupees each in polythene bags, which I had repotted them in pots. ये कुछ white plastic pots 50 rupees के थे. इनके shape और color बहुत सुंदर लगी मुझे. And another one is this Buddha's face. It is a ceramic pot. It looked so cute. And I think this Jenny Stone Cord is the best ideal for this planter. जब इसके leaves थोड़े tendrils बड़े होंगे तो it will look more beautiful. तो ये कुछ सिरेमिक के पॉट 8 इंच के थे. आई थिंक आई गॉट दिस फॉर 200 रुपीज़ ईच. This white color pot looks fantastic and colorful with the colorful plants. This another cute one is an owl planter. I got this for 100 rupees. It is a ceramic pot, and I think the red color, contrasting red color star will go best with this. Don't you think so? This is ideal for my corner in the desktop. ये छोटी सी थिम्बल कैक्टस और मैमिलेरिया ग्रेसिलिस considered a high priced cactus succulent. It is a house plant. I got this for 200 rupees. और इसमें देखिए कितने छोटे छोटे पप्स हैं. तो ये सारे प्लांटर्स हैं जो मैंने लिए थे, और उसमें मैंने पॉटिंग मिक्स में अच्छे से वो परलाइट एंड सैंड मिक्स करके इन प्लांट्स को लगाया है, सो दैट इट गिव्स अ वेल ड्रेन्ड स्ट्रक्चर टू द सॉइल. और इन्हें मैंने मॉर्निंग में लगाया था विद प्लेट्स अंडर देम, और शेड में रखा है. थोड़ी थोड़ी पानी की ज़रूरत है अभी इन्हें. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट टुडेज़ रिसेंट प्लांट परचेज़, एंड आई होप इससे आपको कुछ प्लांट्स के नाम और उनके प्राइसेस के आइडिया मिले होंगे. इफ़ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट एनी ऑफ दीज प्लांट्स, प्लीज़ mention about it in the comment section below. I'll definitely try to make videos on the care tips and maintenance of these plants. I hope you like this video, so please share it, like it, and please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.